Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. What a market. Yesterday it was down 90 points. Today it is up 75 points. Yesterday in the first half of the session, all the stocks were falling, but HDFC Bank alone was trading in green. But in the second half of the session, HDFC Bank also fell. So that's why the markets closed much lower yesterday. And today, in the first half of the session, all the stocks were falling, but only TCS was trading in green. I thought just like yesterday, in the second half of the session, TCS will also fall and markets will close lower. But surprisingly, TCS continued to move higher and TCS has shot up more than 100 rupees from intraday low to intraday high today. So there was a good short covering in TCS. So that has actually helped other stocks also. But however, only the Nifty is looking so good today. But if you go to the broader market, look at the next 50, look at the Nifty financials, look at the Bank Nifty, look at the mid cap, look at the small cap. You know, there was nothing very great. And today the sole game was played by TCS. So anyway, closer to the expiry, one day it goes up by 100 point, next day it goes down by 100 point, you know, the zigzag movement. But one good thing is that the bulls have defended 22,000. Today morning it was very terrible, you know, it was a gap down open. And the Bank Nifty, you know, in the last 1 week, the Bank Nifty was taking support around 46,500. 46,500 to 47,400, that was the range for the last many trading session. But today that 46,500 was broken and then it fell another 200 point. And then after that, markets recovered and Bank Nifty also recovered. But on a closing basis, you know, there was no much gain in Bank Nifty. For that matter, no indices. So it's only the TCS, it's only the IT index. I don't know what is wrong with the State Bank of India. Today the State Bank of India has fallen and that has contributed maximum number of points on the downside for Nifty. So for the last 2 weeks I've been telling you, and this Sunday also I told you that Nifty is likely to trade between 22,000 and 22,500. But one day it goes up, the next day comes down, and let us hope that tomorrow the trend continues and tomorrow it doesn't fall. So European markets opened lower in the afternoon, but then after that there was some slight recovery there. But particularly the US futures, which were trading in negative territory in the first half of the session, that means I am talking about today, late afternoon, so the US futures started gaining traction, and right now all US indices are in green, Dow, Nasdaq 100 and S&P 500. So probably that is one of the reasons why, you know, our people have decided to square up their shorts. Yesterday, both FIIs and DIIs were net sellers, but they were net sellers for about 300 crore only, not a big deal. But despite both being net sellers, today market moved higher. So that shows that, you know, so we have some strength. And moreover today, except Japan index, none of other Asian indices closed in green. And we have closed in green. So that is something really very good. But one caution here, despite markets moving higher, despite markets consolidating for the last 2 months, India VIX keep going higher. And today, there is no reason for India VIX to go higher, but India VIX is moving higher. So that is the cause for concern. And as I told you, this Saturday, maybe I will come out with a video. This VIX is not going to come down, it is going to increase. So option sellers, beware, you know, don't trade in options expiring beyond May series or maybe June series. You know, the volatility can kill you. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.